Hey, Scott, still no luck?
No luck.
Oh, no.
I'm so thirsty.
How much longer do we have to endure this? I'm so hungry.
Been on this fucking boat with no food for weeks.
Is there any hope for somebody to come?
I see something in the sky.
No, that's just more rain.
Yes, open your mouth and drink the rain.
Oh, we could do that.
Yes, that will give us strength.
There's nothing left. It's just... Wait. Food! No! Yeah. Gross.
You're just gonna show how peanuts are on.
They're sucking my teeth.
That could be the blooper part.
Oh, I mean, the salt was good.
If only Elena had forced me to kill all those spiders, we'd have something to eat. We wouldn't starve.
There's turtles out there! We can get them and eat them for dinner!
Wow! Let's get him now! Quick! This is quick!
Oh, you're still filming?
Turtles! There's turtles! There's turtles! I can make it!
What are you doing? You're feeding the last of our cat food to turtles?
It's expired!
God, it doesn't matter, it's food!
Did you just say turtles?
We can eat those motherfuckers! Turtles! Where are they?
So, the time has passed. The hours have turned to years. The seconds have turned to days. Everyone is near the point of expiration. We're about ready to not be able to even think about where our next meal might come from. So horrible it is.
Soil.
Does anyone here have any ideas? What can we possibly do?
We can boil our urine.
I don't know. We got.
I don't even have any urine left in me.
Just don't
This is
eat
bad.
hair. Hair is bad. These are bad.
These are bad.
Don't eat
Those are not
these.
good. We can't be eating those.
Rocks. We got lots of rocks.
And the turtle's got our
We have
cat
rocks.
food.
We could maybe hit a turtle with a rock. Maybe. I haven't
Oh,
tried that
yeah, we
yet.
could skin it. Shell it.
Is all that sterile though? Where we
I don't
might
know.
make ourselves really
Well, I
sick?
think
I
at
think
this
we
point
need to
it doesn't-
boil
it
something.
doesn't-
It would definitely, if we're gonna survive, we at least need water.
Well, there's a place to start.
Boil the lake water.
If we only could have some. Okay, well, if we have that, we could then possibly be like putting things in it. You know, like the stone soup thing.
Yeah.
There's gotta be.
stone
There's
soup.
gotta be.
Yeah.
There's gotta be some things around here that we
stone-
could still put
Stone
into it.
soup, leaves and bark. That's all you
Yeah.
need.
And
Yeah.
some
well,
pine needles.
Or some turtles.
Peanuts,
Yeah.
shells.
Turtle, if we can catch one.
Some
for sure.
minnows.
Paper?
Throw some turtles in
Paper.
there.
We could put paper.
We
out.
put paper in there.
That would think
Paper
though
is
that might be
basically
poison.
trees, right?
It is
It's basically
trees. It
trees.
is tree
And a
based.
tree is a living
So-
I think I
thing.
saw some wet wipes somewhere. We could suck the drink out of that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're
alright.
not toxic.
They're not gonna
Not
hurt
used
us.
ones though.
No,
Not
not
used
used
ones.
ones. Not if they're yellow.
No.
It'll be okay. It'll be alright. Okay, okay. Alright, maybe we have a plan. We're gonna have to move forward because we're not gonna last another day, I'm pretty sure. What's that? What the fuck was that?
I don't. Hearing these
Wait a minute.
Noises.
What? Yeah, what is the, what? Look at that! There's some kind of a trail? Who would be leaving a trail like this? This is totally not right. This is fucked up. I hear something. What What the hell? What the hell's going on here? Don't you know? Don't you know that we're like starving and you're hoarding every kind of possible food stock in your little cubby of
I'm hypoglycemic!
You're a glutton! Thou shalt not be a gluttony! No, we can't have this! Stop it! Stop it!
Hey! Yeah, welcome to Drunk Poor People Surviving. Episode 1. Because we might not make another. We might die. Yeah, boat edition. There's no food. We're going to make the best of it. We're going to cook something for you that has never been seen before. Never been tasted, never been experienced or smelled. Never smelled? Wow. That's impressive. That's what we got. Yeah. I'm about to smell something that's never been smelled. I'm so happy. I smell what you're bringing down, brother. All right, let's get started.
Shame! 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 Shame!
No!
Shame! Why you gotta yell at our food? It's your fault. It's your fault we're all starving. What you get?
No soup for you!
No, turtle soup. So I'm thinking about taking a frog to the prom. So we're here in dire.
around my head.
Oh, grab it and eat it.
I'm trying to, but
Oh, nice. Put it in there. Just throw it in. Got it. Okay. So we're in dire straits right now. There's no food. Elena ate all of our food.
well, that's the bitch of a thing. Is that apparently there even was some food.
There was food. I didn't know. There was food.
And this
I
lady-
ate peanut
And this
shells.
lady I've never even met before comes
Yeah.
onto the boat, eats all of our fucking food.
Ugh. So we have to survive, and we have some people in real bad shape
Dude,
right
Jerry's over there wasting away
Yeah.
to nothing.
now. And so we've given up on food. So we're just trying to make water
We need to
for
make a
people
broth. It's a
that have
broth.
like nutrients and shit. It's more like a broth. Yeah. You can't use the sun to make this. So we took some lake water, and it's starting to boil right here. You can tell there's orange there, and
off of it.
so now that it's hot, we're gonna add some
Ingredients
peanut
to the
shells for some flavor and salt. A little bit of peanut
Push
shells.
them up a little bit.
Yeah.
That'll be better.
How you do it. And then we're gonna add some beer caps.
Because they still have just a hint of.
And you might need like
beer on
aluminum or
them.
iron in your system. We don't know. Fuck it. So, and then we're gonna put some fiber gummies. Because
you
everyone needs fiber, right? We had 2 fiber
Well,
gummies.
you
That's
get-
the
you get-
dosage,
You
right?
get really constipated.
Is it 2? Is that the dosage?
Yeah, that's the
Alright,
main
cool.
dosage,
Then we also have some multivitamin gummies, and the dosage is also 2.
And I think that's one of the most important parts.
Yeah.
The multivitamin.
This has everything you need. This has freaking
It's really it's going good.
molybdenum. Yeah. Alright, and then we're gonna add a couple of antacid tablets. Just in case. Just in case you're having stomach
think it
issues
goes on the
from
fly.
drinking this. Oh, grab it, put it in.
Try it. Got away. That one got away.
Put 4 in. Fuck it. Alright. And then, just in case we don't boil things well enough, we have some vodka. We'll put in
Vodka.
there.
Soviet Russia.
A little bit of Russian nutrients right
Vodka boils you.
here. Yep.
There you go. All right.
It's a good amount. And we're gonna put some triple sec because nobody likes triple sec anyways. I'd rather die than drink triple sec.
Here, I got something
So-
to stir it with here.
Yep.
Dump the whole thing in there.
Okay. You said it. I'm doing it. Alright, now we
Oh,
stir.
listen to that.
Ooh. That smells pretty good.
It's humming.
Everyone's gonna survive because of us.
Making this broth of
Yeah.
life. It's kind of like what Jesus would have given to all of his
Like
followers.
if you could like break up one multivitamin to feed like 100 people.
Yeah, pretty much. That's kind of what he did, just with fish and a piece of bread.
Yeah, I mean, I think it was like a loaf of bread and like 3 fish.
We're doing pretty much the same
Yeah,
thing.
the same thing. We couldn't catch any fish,
Be
but we
proud.
tried.
All right.
Jesus would be proud. What would Jesus do? Make this.
He would. All right.
All right, so is it sufficiently boiled to kill all the bacteria?
You know, that's a good question.
Let me look.
Where's our instructions?
Let me look real quick. How's that look? Oh, that is sufficiently boiling. Look at that.
It's even got some good color.
There's
in
some
it.
Tums residue on the side there.
I found a spider.
Oh.
No, okay, never
no,
mind.
It's fine.
He's alive. I can't kill
Oh
him.
yeah, okay. It's like a lot.
It's like orange.
It's orange.
And frothy.
Yeah, this is a real thing.
It's gotta be. It's like a witch's brew.
Do we have anything to cool it down with so we can drink it right away? Get it to Jerry. Because I'm concerned.
All right, let me turn it off.
All right, turn off the. It's good. We are ready.
Are we just gonna cup? Okay. All right, you're drinking this.
No, Jerry's gonna drink it.
No, Jerry's already sick.
He's already sick.
All right, I'll even scoop some up for you.
It's boiling. I'm not gonna.
I gotta get it prepared. Well, I'm gonna put some ice in it.
Yeah. Okay.
Just open.
On the rocks. On the
On the
rocks.
rocks.
Guys, open the freezer.
So we have
right there.
ice, but apparently we're starving for.
Well, we got ice. We just got nothing else. Is there any ice in it?
And then you can go over and nurse Jerry back to health.
Yeah, we
That's
will.
going to be some drama. Right
will.
there, it's going to win us a Grammy.
Yeah, we will.
Grammy?
Hold on. Let me put more of this. Nearly enough for boiling. I've had boiling shit before. It takes a lot to cool it down. Woo! Did the gummies melt?
All right, here we go. Get some of this in here.
Look at that. Let me add a little
Look
more.
at that.
It's so good. And there's some chunks in there. I can see them. I like chunks.
All right, come on, let's get some of this to Jerry. We gotta. Come on. We have to nurse you back to health.
You want to finish me off and say I'll die quicker, don't you? Get it away from me.
Fine, I'll try it to make sure it's not poison for you. Will that make you feel better?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Is it hot? It's probably still warm.
Yeah, it's still a
Yeah,
little warm.
let me see it.
It's like a warm drink.
Oh no, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Okay.
I like how the peanut shells went to the bottom, so you don't get any of that in here. What's it taste like?
Ooh. That is.
I want to try a sip.
That's
Don't
like
drink it all, you hog.
that's like emergency, but really bad.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can
Give me that.
You can kind of taste the Tums in there.
Oh, that's good.
No, more. Give me more. Ugh.
I mean, like 2 out of 10 would drink again.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not unless I had to. But
It
it's
was-
not terrible. You know, try it.
No, I'd rather expire naturally.
It's got the essence of beer caps. It's just so good.
It's the only time you like craft beer caps
Oh,
is in this mixture.
it's just the perfect. I think I may survive.
You might.
God bless you. Mwah. Mwah.
All right.
You're all a bunch of idiots.
Anybody else want to try this? Elena, you should try it.
Yeah, you should try it. It's
Just a
really
sip.
good.
Does
Does it
It's
cause
good.
all the problems
It's
to
really
begin
good.
with?
Yep.
I'm
Well,
tasting it. No, I
all
haven't,
right.
but it's really good.
Thank you for untying me. I suppose I will try a little bit.
It's not terrible.
It tastes like a dollar store pina colada. Cheers.
Just so you know, you don't deserve this, but we are loving and forgiving people.
Well, in
gonna stop drinking
exchange,
this. I'm
I
gonna
will
stop.
mention that Nelson
stop
gave me
drinking
all the
this.
food.
Nelson, I should have known. I saw how he was looking at you.
What?
Yes,
Stay away from my man.
trying to buy your love.
It worked.
These should be like behind the
Now you just get like a random shot of Nelson
I
and see
love
what
how
he
it
says.
randomly turned into a soap opera there at the end. You bitch.
It did have quite a tummy.
Yeah, it had a tummy taste.
Did it have a good nose to it also?
Yeah, I mean, it smelled like.
peanuts.
Yeah.
It smelled like peanuts, tasted like Tums.
If I were dying, I totally would have drank that.